Today, I'm in the heart of Canolfan yr Urdd Pentre Ifan, the Urdd Centre right here in Pembrokeshire. It's just had a huge overhaul to turn it into an environmental and well-being centre. But I bet you this place wouldn't be looking how it is today without a lot of meetings and planning. If you want to create something really special, you need to meet often and have a really good plan. Now that's the same as your Cymraeg campus journey. To create a magical Welsh ethos in your school and win the Gold Award, you're going to have to plan carefully. Now, let's talk about the importance of regular meetings. Now, I know what you're thinking, meetings, they're so boring. But trust me, when it comes to Criw Cymraeg, these meetings can be as exciting as a Welsh dragon skateboarding on top of the Cymraeg. Mad. First things first, we need to make sure that we hold these meetings regularly. Whether it's once a week or once a month, it's crucial that we come together to keep the momentum going. Criw Cymraeg, assemble! Now that you have your language superheroes together, you need to have a cynllun, or a plan. And that's where the agenda comes in. Think of it as your roadmap to success. It's like Google Maps for your Cymraeg journey. These meetings are the perfect opportunity to discuss and strategise. And let's not forget about our current projects and initiatives. How is the Gwasanaeth Cymraeg, Welsh Assembly, running? Do we have a timetable for leading Welsh playground games? And what about playing music Cymraeg on the yard, in the corridors and reception? Is that happening regularly? And here's something really cool. Let's keep a brawddeg or question yr wythnos going. It may seem like a small thing, but it's a great way to improve everyone's Welsh. And last but not least, meeting notes are a game changer. Make sure someone's keeping notes of what has been discussed and who is in charge of completing any tasks. That'll make sure that everyone knows what they're meant to do before the next meeting. So, my fellow language superheroes, let's make these Criw Cymraeg meetings a highlight. And they're not just meetings, they're opportunities for growth and celebration. And by the end of the year, if those questionnaire results have improved, you, my friend, will be the key to success.